Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Karlson 3D on a Chromebook. Firstly, make sure you have links enabled on your Chromebook. If you don't, the video will be linked in the description. And then after you enable Linux, go to this website which will be also linked in the description. Scroll down until you see the Linux one. Hit download. Okay, so now that's done, hit show in folder. Okay, so what you want to do is right click on the file, hit cut, and then go on the Linux files, right click, and then hit paste. And now that's done, it's command time. Okay, so what you want to do is type in terminal. Okay, so what you want to do is copy the first code. Hit Control C to copy, and then hit Control V to paste inside the terminal, and then hit enter. And then what you want to do is copy the next code. And now what we will do is install a menu editor to always launch Karlson 3D. Well, I already have it installed. Well, when the prompt comes up, do you want to continue? Press Y and then hit enter. And then after that's done, copy the last code. Okay, so what you want to do is press games and then press new item and name it Karlson 3D. And then press OK. And then click that, and the command and make sure to choose Karlson_linux.x86_64 and then click open and then save the launcher. Okay, so now that's done, you can close the terminal and the document for now. Then go on your launcher and you will see Karlson 3D on your Chromebook, and now we will launch it. And as you can see here, that Karlson is installed on my Chromebook. And that's it for today. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.